In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Adobe Acrobat Reader DC to its latest version. Keeping your software up to date is crucial for both performance enhancements and security improvements. So let's ensure your PDF reader is running its optimal version. First, let's open Adobe Acrobat Reader DC on your computer. Once it's open, direct your attention to the menu located at the top left corner of your screen. This is where you'll find most of the essential options you'll need within the application, including those for updating the software. It's always a good habit to familiarize yourself with this menu, as many handy features live there. Now within that menu, look for the Help option. Clicking on Help will reveal a list of additional choices, one of which is Check for Updates. This particular feature is designed to streamline the updating process for users, making it simple and straightforward to ensure you're always using the latest version available. By selecting Check for Updates, the program will automatically search for any updates that may not yet be installed on your device. If the software determines that there is indeed a new update available, it will prompt you with an option to download and install. This is your cue to proceed. Simply click on this prompt and Adobe Acrobat Reader DC will handle the rest. The download process should commence immediately, followed by the installation procedures. However, the time it takes to complete these steps can vary depending on the size of the update and your internet connection. While the update is downloading and installing, it's recommended to not use the application to avoid any interruptions. In fact, a good practice is to close any other unnecessary applications to potentially speed up the process and to ensure ample resources are available for the update. Once the installation is complete, you may need to restart Adobe Acrobat Reader DC to see the changes take effect. In some cases, you might even need to reboot your computer, but this is usually not required. By ensuring your software is up to date, you not only gain access to the newest features, but also benefit from fixes to any security vulnerabilities that previous versions might have had. And that's it. You've successfully updated your Adobe Acrobat Reader DC to its latest version. This process is worth doing regularly to maintain the reliability and security of your application. I hope you found this guide helpful, and remember to keep your applications updated for the best performance and protection. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.